Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making one of the most popular curries of lotus roots, that is lotus roots potato curry or Kamal Kakdi aloo ki sabzi. It is a delicious North Indian dish made of potatoes and lotus stem. It's a simple preparation and is best served with naan, rotis, parathas or plain rice. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make lotus roots potato curry for your family and friends. So today we are making home style lotus roots potato curry. So to make it, we have taken 250 grams of lotus roots or Kamal Kakdi, which we have already washed and chopped, and 250 grams of potatoes, which we have already washed and chopped in big size pieces. To prepare the gravy for lotus roots potato curry, we have taken 3 medium sized tomatoes, which we have chopped in a blender. Now we are adding about 1 inch of ginger in it. Add some green chilies as per your taste. So now we need to blend this tomato, ginger and green chilies in a smooth paste in the blender. So now we have blended the tomatoes, ginger and green chilies together in a smooth paste and made a smooth tomato puree. So now let's fry the lotus roots potato curry. We have heated a pressure cooker on a medium flame and added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil in it. You can use any variety of oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add a pinch of asafoetida. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. Once cumin seeds and mustard seeds are roasted nicely, add 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. Give it a stir. Roast it for 10 seconds. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Don't allow the turmeric powder to burn. As soon as you add the turmeric powder, add the tomato puree you prepared. So adding the turmeric powder before adding the puree gives a nice color to the recipe. Add the red chili powder as per your taste. We are adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Mix it well. Add half cup of yogurt or dahi. So we have taken a little bit sour yogurt. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Crush it with your palm before adding it. Now mix it well. So now we need to cook this gravy on a medium flame until it starts leaving the oil. Cook it nicely. So now you can see that the gravy has started leaving the oil. Now add the washed and chopped lotus roots. Add the salt as per your taste. Mix it well. So we will be cooking the lotus roots for 5 to 7 minutes first, and after that we will add the potatoes because lotus roots takes a little bit more time than potatoes. So after mixing the lotus roots with the gravy nicely, add the water as per the consistency of gravy you want. If you want a liquid gravy, then add a little bit more water, and if you want a thick gravy, just add very little bit of water. After adding the water, we will just cover it for 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame so that the water starts boiling and the lotus roots are cooked a little bit. After that, we will add the potatoes. So now the lotus roots are boiling in the water for about 8 minutes. Now add the potatoes and about a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cover the lid and cook it on a medium flame for 2 whistles. After the pressure on the pressure cooker is released, open the lid of the pressure cooker. So now the lotus roots potato curry is ready, and you can see that the potatoes and lotus roots are cooked nicely and became soft. If you can try to press a potato, it will press very easily. So now we can serve it. Before serving it, we can just garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Mix it well, and now we can serve the lotus roots potato curry. Friends, we have served the lotus roots potato curry, kamal kakdi aloo ki sabzi, and this sabzi really tastes very delicious. You can have this sabzi with roti, paratha, puri, rice, tandoori roti or naan. Enjoy this sabzi with your family and friends. Try this recipe, and if you like it, please subscribe to Big Foodies for new recipes every week, and like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.